shit, we got him.
Bomb located. Top.
Oh! Oh hey guys, they're actually in. Where are they though? I think they're up top.
Bye.
Ah, motherfucking damn. Hey, yo, some help up here would be nice.
No help for you.
He was just playing Ring Around the Rosy. Oh my god, that actually worked.
One friendly operator remaining. Mission failed. All
I don't know
friendly
how he
operators
didn't see me. How are my controller batteries low? I just put them in yesterday.
That's why you get rechargeable batteries.
I had
Hey,
them, then they
poor
died.
kid. Loser.
Oh dang it, I can't do my spawn key because we're over here.
Well secured!
I have a spawn key that's
Ethan,
really
is that you
crispy.
who shot me?
No, that was not me that shot you.
It was Ethan, Clayton.
It was not me.
located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
Totally wasn't me.
Hey Clayton, hey Clayton, hey Clayton, hey Clayton, hey Clayton. Oh, I almost got you. Oh! You know, I was
Gotcha.
purposely missing the entire time.
Oh god. I'm so bad.
Vibrated.
What you got done?
One friendly operator remaining.
This guy's dead.
It's still Ethan. I don't know how to dispose of my band instrument.
Put
Could've
it
just
in a
left it.
barrel, and then
there.
you dump acid in it.
Drone has located a bomb.
Oh!
I'm in the cocaine.
Cocaina. No.
Cocaina.
Can I get that?
User is no longer.
Oh! Oh my god.
Down to one friendly.
Phase juicy.
Op 4 last operator.
Hey, we won.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
I got a kill, and I was potato the entire time.
Might as well call Ethan Mr. Potato Head.
Whose vibrator's going on?
Funny. Ah!
I can't jump.
Yeah, you can't jump.
No, like I can't fall.
Come on, Davis, clutch, Davis, clutch, you can do it.
The diffuser is no longer in your possession. Diffuser has been recovered.
that was cool, Davis.
I kind of just want to go turkey hunting right now.
Why?
To kill a turkey, Ethan.
No, Ethan, to eat
When you get so
dog.
aggressive, B.
God, jeez.
To kill a turkey!
Davis, Jesus.
I actually really want to go squirrel hunting. Like 22, I just have to sight it then. I'll just shoot it in town. Hey, yo, we got some blood outside.
Move, Davis. I'm gonna shoot you.
Ah! They're out the door.
Juicy soup. 25 over.
Alright, Davis, you might have to clutch this one again. To the left. Yeah, up the door to the left. Yeah, right there. In that room.
Op 4 has located a bomb. You know what to do. Friendly, last operator standing.
Okay,
Clutch or gay.
Well, boys, this has been a terrible defeat. Any last words, Davis?
I think I should burn it.